What will happen if a person is not allowed to sleep? Forcibly preventing a person from having normal daily physiological sleep and not allowing them to exhibit lateral sleep. What will happen to a person? Such experiments in the form of execution were conducted in ancient times. Now, with clever experiments on animals, using a vast number of research methods on various animals, starting with mice, then rats, and further, the following has been established. It turns out that if two types of physiological sleep are not allowed to manifest, namely daily sleep without movement and lateral sleep against a backdrop of automated movements, these are the two normal types of sleep in humans. If these two types of physiological sleep are not allowed to manifest, it leads to a breakdown of the body, which is commonly referred to as stress. But this is a special kind of stress. The special content consists of the following. I want to remind you of this once again. So, special stress was established. In 2020, so Greenwood and his colleagues established the destructive effects of sleep deprivation, which they called special kind of stress. Two main processes occur here: the accumulation of substances in the body that destroy lipids, which make up cell membranes. So the first mechanism is the destruction of cell membranes, and the second mechanism is DNA damage. Do you see? So it is now clear why, if a person is not allowed to experience the two types of sleep, namely daily physiological sleep without movements and lateral sleep against the background of automated movements, they develop special kinds of damage. And these damages are very deep. Destruction of cell membranes in the body and disruption of DNA structure. This was established in 2020. As you can clearly observe, you see brand new and completely fresh new data